Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunity. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously, create dozens of quick lists, display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, August 16, 2017. Okay. This? Okay. So the markets are going up, but it's not everywhere the same thing. The Nasdaq market is way stronger than the other market with the 0.64. And it's half this. It's 1/3 of 1% on the Dow and the TSX. So it's this last part that is done alone. And as you can see, we have a double top here on the Dow, and the TSX has a lower top so far. So it's very limited to a certain sector. Actually, the materials are going up because of the mining more than the gold, because the gold is coming back down at the moment. So the action is on the mining and the consumer discretionary and technology, but it's not that big. It looks very big on the technology here, but it's only a Group CGE by himself that does it. So let's go around the whole thing. First of all, why the mining are going up? It's because International Monetary Fund has increased the future perspective for China for 2017. So they expect, I think the market expect an increase in the demand for the resources. And also, that could have an effect. It's Donald Trump that has authorized now an acceleration to deliver the permit for all, road, bridges, and all of that stuff that used to take from 5 to 15 years to get. So they are going to make an acceleration process of those permits, and they are starting in the States a project of $1 trillion. So that's 1,000 billion. That's a lot of money, and that's going to take a lot of resources as well. So that's the reason. Both reason I think counts for the movement of the resources. I have only two financial two earnings this morning. A Target that didn't do much, and Urban Outfitter that is coming back. And Elixis has completed a new demand to the FDA, and the stock isn't doing anything. And and this is about the permit. So the Dow Jones Industrial, not the Dow Jones, but it's the S&P Industrial isn't moving much because of that. And there's one news in Canada, but the stock started today. I got it somewhere here, and that is this stock. So let's put it in 5 minutes so we can see something. And that's just what the stock has done this morning. It's a new cannabis stock, so we don't have enough data yet to be able to see anything yet there. So we'll see over the next few days. And so if we look at the situation right now, the US dollar seems to be ready for enough move, like you see here, breaking the resistance slightly. And the Nikkei market came back slightly in a correction. The Hang Seng is still positive, but you know, it's just where it was yesterday. And the London market continues its rebounds, as the Nasdaq market. So you know what happened here is the Nasdaq went down and came back up, and then we are back within the sideways movement. And on the Dow Jones, we're going back to the summit, and the SPY also. You know, so it's just this thing about that happened because of North Korea. That is thing of the past for the moment. And so, and the SPTT is bouncing back within its sideways movement, so there's not much going on there. So look at the oil sector. If I were you, I would still avoid this sector so far, because the USO maintained its downtrend here in the very short term. And it had reversed the uptrend, so it's not very nice, the situation there. And if you look at the stocks, the stock never followed the upward movement this morning, and it's back to the low of the day and at the support. So I mean, there is no indication there that we could be near a new bullish cycle on this sector. So forget about the energy sector still. On the gold was slightly going up this morning. Now it's slightly negative, and the stocks are going sideways. So there are a couple of stocks in the movement, like Premier Gold, but most of the other stocks are all at their short-term resistance, and there could be a movement there coming up soon within today or even the next couple of days, but it's not there yet. Like IAMGOLD, you know, you got to see IAMGOLD at 715. You have to see Agnico Eagle at 59.70, something like that. So we need this new movement on the upside to declare a new bullish cycle in the sector.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients, and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I got a couple of questions here. FCX is Freeport McMoran. The question is from Dave. high. I bought 500 FCX at 12.99. Sold this morning half at 14.70. I'd say 12.99. So that 12.99 is right here, and you're making quite a bit of money. It's $1.80, and you sold half at 14.73, which is very nice. It's right over here near where it is right now, and it is a very, very good move you've done there, because the stock is at the resistance so far, and you know, it's a very, very important place. And right now, if you want to do something, look, what you have to care about is this support here. So 1460, 1455, it would be the end of it, because the cycle would be reversed. But so far, it's still near breaking out still. So hold on the rest of your position. Keep the rest. So far, the next exit is at 1460, unless we see new support higher later on within the next couple of days. So we'll keep following this movement so far. And remember, you can also depending because today is the free show, so we're still there the rest of the week to help you if you subscribe, or if you are a subscriber already. So HND there, because you see the gas. Let's go there and let's take this gas thing and put it here. So, and then you see the gas is going down, and so HND is going up. You bought at 12.45, so it's 12.69 right now. And the thing is, you know, 12.45 and 12.55 right here, it would be the sell signal. So it's too bad you did not take a profit at 12.95 or 12.90 or 85 or something like that. So right now, I hope for you that the stock is going to take off this way once more. So that means the gas would continue on down. But if your HND goes to 12.55, I think I will get rid of it. You know, it's too bad. You could have taken a profit before, you didn't. So do not hesitate the next time. 12.80, 12.85. Take a profit of half of your position. So, okay, what's going on here? Not much. It seems like the industrial could break down once more or come back up. So we're in between two cycles right now, and it's an important support where it is at the moment. So if you look at it this way, you see, you know, so do not hesitate if you have too many stocks in the industrial sector, if the sector goes this way, okay? And but so far this movement hasn't been done. And you see the technology there, what's the responsible for it? It is simply this movement on the sector, which is within a sideways movement. There's a little bit of potential there. It's Groupe CGE that bounce back, that is continuing. But you know, I have some worries about the volume that is very small for CGE at the moment. So it's just only a pullback. So if you want to take a risk there, I mean the signal is not a great signal. So it could go for a few days still because it's a strong stock. The risk isn't that big because it's a very, very important support here. So Groupe CGE will not break this support easy, you know. But on the other hand, there's quite big resistance there as well. So you know, so look at the UNG. Since it opened down this morning, it's still coming back up. So I hope it's not gonna proceed here, because if it goes there, this signal we saw about HND will happen. So you have to get rid of it. And now it's the crude oil that is spiking up a little bit. not much. So, but it doesn't count because look, the sector needs quite a bit before looking good. You know, you see that's where we are right now. So what we saw within the intraday chart is not really major. So and for the mining now we have to be cautious because the movement is over everywhere on the index. Three Valley has been going up a lot, but it's now stabilized. All stocks are stabilized, even tech. But tech is at the triple resistance here. It could be an entrance point if it breaks at 29.35. You bought 100 light on Nasdaq. Okay, let's go see it. Oops, not sure it's good call. Not me neither, Pete. Pete said I bought 100 light at how much? You did not say the price, Peter. And look at it on the 15-minute charts. We're gonna see a much clearer situation here about where is where are the next signals. So you see, you bought there 50. We don't know the price. So you bought there. Light 52.20. Okay, thanks. It's 53.25. Okay, look at this. Let's take less data there. Okay. Again, you see, it's a little bit unprecise even with the chart because this is a real low. But the stock has made an upward move. So let's see it here. What is this light? Lumentum Holding. I don't know this company. So now it's going bad because it's coming down. How much down it's going to go? You know, it's pretty unprecise as a stock. Maybe 52.20. Maybe you can take this dollar because if you take this dollar right now, you're going to go down to 51.20. You know, which is 52.20, 53.20. So that's about here. So your price come back down that much. So it would give you more space. If I was you, I was going to sell 50% of your position, and then your break even was here. But once you sell, your break even is going to be here. So then I wouldn't go any lower than 52.47 for the next 50%. Okay, Pete? So that's the end of the show today. Thank you very much, everyone, for being with us. So we'll see you next time.